Hello friends, welcome to another video of the How-To series by Visa Smile International. In this video, we will understand how to fill out the AFP check form. To fill the Australian Federal Police form, first, we'll search on Google, AFP Police Check, and click on the AFP AU link to go to the official website. On this website, at the top, you'll find a link, Get a Police Check. Clicking on this will open the AFP check form. First, the instructions page will appear. Scroll to the bottom. Tick, I have read and understood the instructions above. Then click Start New Online Application. Upon clicking Next, we'll reach section 1.1, Proof of Identity. Here, you need to choose documents from the list below to prove your identity. Each document gives you certain points which are mentioned next to them. Keep in mind that you need a total of 100 points to be eligible to fill the form. For example, if I select a foreign passport and an Australian driver's license, I'll get 70 points for the passport and 40 for the license, making a total of 110 points. So, select the legitimate documents you have available. Tick the checkbox and click Next. On the next page, under 2.1, enter your last name, then your first name, and if you have a middle name, you may enter that optionally. Next, enter your date of birth as mentioned in your official documents. Then enter your email ID, re-enter it to confirm. In 2.3, choose the purpose type depending on the visa you're applying for, and accordingly select the purpose of check. For example, if your purpose is 485 work visa, then under purpose type, choose Commonwealth Employment, and for purpose of check, select 33 Immigration/Citizenship. Then in 2.4, if you want a hard copy of the AFP certificate, tick the checkbox and it will be sent via courier to your mentioned address. Click Next, and you'll arrive at the applicant consent page. Tick the checkbox again, and click Next. Now in 4.1, upload the same documents you selected earlier to gain the 100 points. You can also view your selected documents here. Upload each document one by one. Make sure all documents are in PDF format. Since I chose a foreign passport and an Australian driver's license, I'll upload those PDFs here. Then click Upload Files. Finally, tick the checkbox and click Next. Now in 5.1, under Country of Birth, choose the country you were born in, most likely India. So I'll choose India. Below that, enter your contact number. I'll just enter a random number for now. If you have an Australian driver's license, fill it here, and below that, select the state it was issued in. This is optional, so I'll leave it blank for now. Finally, it asks if your name has ever changed on official documents. If yes, select yes, otherwise select no, and click Next. In 6.1, you'll fill out your present address details. First, it asks, do you live in Australia? If you're currently living in Australia, choose yes. If you're offshore, choose no. Then, select the country where you're currently living. I'll choose India. Whichever country you live in, select it here. Then enter your house address, city name, state, and postal or PIN code. Lastly, enter the date, since when you've been living there. If you've been living there since birth, you can mention your date of birth. Then click Next to go to the next page. Now in 7.1, review all the details you filled in so far. If everything looks good, tick the 2 checkboxes and click Next. Finally, in 8.1, you'll fill your payment details and pay the form fee. Once payment is done, you'll get a confirmation message via email, and within 4 to 5 days, the certificate will be issued and sent to your email. As of March 2025, the fee for AFP certificate is 49 Australian dollars, but it may vary depending on when you apply. So friends, that was the entire process to apply for the AFP certificate. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, and thanks for watching.